Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DESZREN. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. I'm doing this retwist a little bit sooner than I wanted to. I really wanted to wait a full month, but as you guys saw in the first clip, my hair just was no, it was not looking cute. And my hair is not looking cute and I'm not feeling cute, I'm not in a good mood. So I just decided to retwist my hair, even though I have like, what, 5 more days until it will make a month. To me, it wasn't that big of a deal. So I was just like, F it, I'm gonna do it because it needs to get done. So that's what I did. As far as washing my hair, I used my Neutrogena Anti-Residue shampoo, and I used a moisturizing shampoo afterwards. I don't remember the exact name, so I'm gonna put it in the description below for you guys, and maybe I'll put like a little picture of it somewhere, or you guys will know the name of it at some point. I'm just gonna be using what I normally use for my retwist. I have my Lily of the Desert aloe vera gel, my jojoba oil and shea oil mixture with a little bit of vitamin E oil. I have some rose water with, there might be some oil in this. There definitely is. It's probably just vitamin E oil. I don't know. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna get right into it because I am not working with a lot of time today. Oh, I completely missed the part. So I'm actually gonna be doing a twist out. So we gotta see how that goes. So pretty much the majority of the rows that I have had an odd amount of locks in them. So what I did was, as you can see here, I just took the middle lock from that row and then the middle lock from the row above it and twisted those together. So I realized that I wasn't doing the 2-strand twist the correct way. I was still doing it clockwise, but I noticed that even though I'm retwisting my locks clockwise to do a 2-strand twist, it's better to do it counterclockwise. I don't know, for some reason it just feels like tighter and just holding better. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going back and retwisting all of those. Okay guys, so I'm all done with my hair. Unfortunately, I don't really have enough time to dry it fully like I would like to, so I'm gonna have to let it air dry for the most part, which is whatever. Can't really do much about it, but I just want to show you guys what it looked like, even though it's not fully dry. It just really is taking me some time to get used to my hair being like this and get comfortable with it, because it's not something I'm used to whatsoever. You know, if you see my pictures on Instagram, or if you've followed me for a while before I even started my locks, my hair just was always out as a loose natural. It was always big and full, so having it just be in this style like this, it's weird, but I like it at the same time. But I'm hoping that this twist out comes out decent when I take it out. I'm gonna try to leave it for maybe like a week or so. I don't see myself, like, these ones are just like sticking out. Oh my gosh, I do not like that, like, at all. It's actually really pissing me off right now. But I'm gonna only leave it in for maybe like a week. I think that's really all I can handle right now because I already miss my locks just being out. So we'll see. But no matter what, I am gonna film my takedown, and that's gonna be a whole separate video for you guys. So keep an eye out for that. I'm sorry for all the background noise. There's a lot of stuff going on right now and I don't know why. But I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.